Hi there, and welcome to Sugar Hiccups. I am super excited because I collect junk journals. I collect them, and some people, they collect makeup or they collect shoes or little Santa Clauses, but I collect paper crafts and junk journals and paper. I use them, but I think I collect them a little bit more. So anyways, I saw these two that I had not opened yet, and I thought, what if I share them with you and do a side-by-side? So I am super excited. This one is by Teal and Tattered, and this one is by Kittywitty. Both of these journals are similar, and that's why I thought doing a side-by-side would be ultra fun. They are both approximately the same size and width, approximately the same price, though Teal and Tattered is a little bit less expensive than this particular journal. Let's get started. So for my Teal and Tattered journal, it came in the mail in this beautiful netted bag with some satin ribbon. So let's open it up. So here is the journal, which is a handmade cover. But let's open this first. This is a little goodie bag. So it says, "Shoot for the moon, darling." This is so nice. She sprinkled gold paint. These are actually sewn in. And there is a beautiful little shooting star charm. You see that? Beautiful. She wrapped it in little twine. Oh wow. I'll leave that there. She has some fun washi tape. Oh, how nice. So these are little goodies that I did not know I was getting. A little star charm. So this is a galaxy. This is a galaxy. I believe this one was called Sky. And I think she did Twilight, Sky. And I don't remember what the other one was, but I got Sky. Formation of the galaxies. Wow. Check out the ephemera. This is some washi tape, hand painted. All these extras to put in my new junk journal. How awesome is that? Okay, love it. Absolutely love it. And then check this out. Wow, I did not know it was coming with this. It has glass beads, crescent moon, another crescent moon. Can you see the detail of this pattern? And then she sewed this. Oh, beautiful. So this is a traveler's notebook extra. Very nice. Okay, so here is the junk journal. Handmade, hand painted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures with an antique lace closure. Lots of thickness. And here are her charms. Let's take a look. Oh, pretty. See, it says sky here. Buttons. I love this one. This one's very pretty. This blue. Another crescent moon. Pretty, pretty beads and buttons. Very nice. So let's open it up. Oh, how pretty is this? So that's like a little pocket. Let's see. Look at the detail. All her sewing, she has lots of sewing, lots of cloth, lots of layers. This crinkly paper is sewn with this in the middle that looks like she's stamped. Wow. Look at this ticket. Ticket to the moon. That is super cute. And a little more glass beads. Oh, check the shaker out. Again, sewn all the way around. Hole punch. Cloth. She's adding lots of little notes like Equilus, which is a small constellation between, I don't know, I have to look it up. Lots of collage work with fabric and sewing. That's one thing Teal and Tattered does, is a lot of detail work in her junk journals. Every place looks like a surprise. And her papers, she'll even put double texture. I love that gold stamping. That is pretty. I have to say, Teal and Tattered has some of the most detailed work, and that's my cat. If y'all can hear, that's Bonzo. She takes such good care of making these journals. Oh, look at this. It's just beautiful. She does, of course, the signatures, which a lot of people do signatures in their journals because that's what makes the junk journal. But when she does it's almost more than signatures. It's like surprises on every page. You can tell she loves making these journals. So again, this is a traditional junk journal, and it has a galaxy sky theme to it, and I am just in love. Oh, she even added, that's cute. Handcrafted by Teal and Tattered, 2020. She goes beyond. She adds charms, glass beads, everything. Just absolutely beautiful. I am so happy with this sky theme journal. Okay, let's take a look at our next journal. This journal is by Kittywitty, and she is known for her sewing themes. She loves a 50s look, and so she wrapped it in this cute sewing pattern, and it looks like I got two little surprises from her, which is super nice and super cute, and a little thank you note. And this cute string, which has pastel colors. So I like this little goodie that she included. That was awfully sweet. And here is my junk journal. Now, Kittywitty has done a traditional little golden book. A lot of people do these. They take a little golden book, they've been doing them for years, and they reconstruct them, and then they add their signatures in there. And sometimes they leave papers in there from the actual book. And you can see the back has the little golden book back, which is adorable. And here is her side charms. And here is her ribbon that she included with some charms. Oh, that's pretty. That's a little bird. And some daisies, some glass beads, a little ducky. Oh, here's a little Easter egg. Very cute. And she makes bows with yarn. For those of you who wore these type of bows in your hair in the 70s, they can bring back some fun memories. Looks like this came out. So the fuzzy duckling. Now, Kittywitty has a light, airy feeling, very childlike, very pastel, especially in this particular book. I have ordered several things from Kittywitty. I love this vintage, I bet you it's wrapping paper that she used. And she used cloth here and cloth bric-a-brac. So this is from the book actually. That is cute, this paper. And then she added a nice trim here. Very, very cute. Again, Kittywitty is known for her 50s style, where everything is light and bright and cheerful, and it just makes you happy just looking at her style. Especially for those of you who are nostalgic for some of these golden books. She does a lot of these. A lot of people do golden books, and Kittywitty does a really good job. Oh, I love this. It's a nice pocket. The texture of this paper is beautiful. Cute pocket. Oh, some goodies. She uses real ephemera on some of the things. Like this is real ephemera. And this looks vintage as well. And she used lots of die cuts. Oh, isn't this cute? This shaker. I believe, whoops, everything's coming out. Okay. I guess it was all held by this. This is super cute. She makes these little charms. I like this one with the toadstool and the little bunnies. Lots of little hidden goodies in the pockets with super cute little vintage animals. Funny bunny. Aww. And this is some vintage from a child's book. You can't help but smile every time you see something by Kittywitty. Briar rose syrup. So this must be from the actual book that she put from the Fuzzy Duckling. Some of them are from other children's books, but I believe this one is from this book. I'm not sure, but I think so. Oh, I love this. I love, love, love that little bunny and butterfly. computer cottontail. Look at the golden record. So this must be the sleeve that an actual record came in. And here's a sewing pattern. Aw, that's awfully cute. And look at the charms. Just happy, happy, happy. So she does use authentic vintage a lot, and that is so appreciative because it gives such a fine dimension to her journals. This looks like a vintage fabric. And this bingo card. Yes. This is my kitty cat's tail. So look how cute, and she added these ribbons. I think these are vintage ribbons as well. Sew on snaps. Oh. I like the carrot scrapbook and these little tabs. I believe she sells these tabs on her Etsy site. I bought some, but this is one that was included in this book. Cute. Aww. This is like a little extra. She put together a tiny little traveler's notebook that she made. You could actually take this out. Look how cute. Just precious, just happy. Those are two adjectives that I can definitely describe Kittywitty's work, along with vintage, but especially happy. You can't help but smile. Sweet. Now here is some chenille. She made a little pocket out of. That's cute. Here's that little duckling. Nice. I used to wear those when I was little. These little kerchiefs. That is cute. And there you have it. This is Kittywitty's junk journal. And here is the finished flip through of the Fuzzy Duckling and the finished flip through of Sky. Two wonderful artists. And here's my little extras. I hope you enjoyed the side-by-side of Sky by Teal and Tattered and Fuzzy Duckling by Kittywitty. I loved showing them. They were so much fun. They're off to my shelves so I can adore them. Thank you very much, and we will see you next time on the video. Bye-bye.